Hello, my name is Kate and this is eStyle Real Estate Property Channel. Today I'm going to show you a luxury penthouse on a nice floor of residential complex Siemens with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, private terrace, solarium with a hot tub jacuzzi and a wonderful panoramic sea view from the sunrise to the sunset. And let's step inside to see the property in details. From this amazing terrace, we are stepping into the spacious living room, very modern and fully furnished. Fully fitted kitchen with the high quality appliances made of very good material and enough space for cooking. Next to the kitchen we have a utility room with a boiler, dryer, washing machine and extra storage. Let's see the bedrooms. And this is the master bedroom with the ensuite bathroom, with a shower, fitted wardrobe, amazing view, sea view, and another entrance to the terrace. Through the corridor we have a family bathroom and a second double bedroom. And the best part of this penthouse is the solarium. Let's go! Here we have a family dining table, on the left side summer kitchen with a barbecue area. And here we have the main terrace with outside furniture, panoramic sea view, hot tub jacuzzi and a shower. And we have another south-facing terrace with the sunbeds. Think of the Sea Senses, as a 5-star hotel, you get to live all year round with impressive communal area. Got 2 infinity pools, jacuzzis, lots of sunbeds, fully equipped gym, saunas, Finnish and Swedish, tennis court, paddle courts, soccer courts, basketball. Sea Senses is a very secure place for yourself and for your children. It's gated with the security working 24/7. With amazing restaurants, very well known no-tills where you can enjoy the coffee morning, or Punta Prima al fresco dining. Within the walking distance, we've got a shopping mall with a supermarket Consume, office of our agency, pharmacy, lots of bars and restaurants with different cuisines, Irish pub, hairdressers, barber shop. Alicante Airport within the 45 minutes drive. Also within the drive distance is many golf courses and international schools. This penthouse is available for 650,000 euros. For more details, please contact our agency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching us.